Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback in the British Airways application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it and in this page you should scroll down a little bit and you will find here the app feedback option. Press on it and press continue. And you have to open this with one of these applications. I'm just going to choose Gmail and you can see that my address is already written in, so it's the address that I'm going to send the feedback to, and you can see an automatic message here, and at the end you can just write whatever you want here. And once it is done, all you have to do is just press on the arrow that is pointing to the right side in your right corner and your feedback will be sent. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.